So today's random object is a throwaway vape. Now I was given this one so I could disassemble it. It's by Mr. Vapor. I'm sure they make these mass produced from China in all sorts of shapes and sizes. So the throwaway is kind of a myth. So the bottom comes off. Now I did tear it open with a cutting wheel, but afterwards I found out that you could use pliers and pull it off, or you could use a screwdriver and pry it in there and tap this end off. But once it comes off, what you're going to find is it just pulls right out. Now I've had this out previously. This battery was taped here. What you're going to find is a soft rubber where your liquid could be refilled, and there's a rubber down here. So yeah, throwaway is kind of a myth. They just want you to buy more of their product. When the battery goes bad, of course, it's soldered on there. Well, you can buy another battery and solder it on there. It tells you the voltage right here, 3.7 volts. So you can buy another battery if yours goes dead, or you could refill your solution if you wanted to. So just a FYI, in case any of you thought these dispensable things weren't really throwaway.